Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to take you through yet another amazing Cadyce product. Here I have this brilliant CA-T3HD. This is a dual HDMI adapter. And if you ask me, it's the best one on the market. Let's take a closer look. The CA-T3HD is a Thunderbolt 3 to Dual HDMI adapter, and it's such a blessing for people of every age group. This allows you to connect two HDMI monitors to your Mac or computer, so it totally amplifies your overall experience. If you're someone who works in a creative field, you know how frustrating it is when you're not able to look at your designs in high definition. Or maybe you're a gamer and you're always on your computer. You know how exhausting that can be because every pixel counts when you play games. Well, Cadyce knows that too. And that's why the CA-T3HD supports 4K resolution. Yeah, 4K. Super impressive, right? It also supports an incredible bandwidth of 40 Gbps. This is a bus-powered device, and it is so simple to use. You just plug it into your system and use it. No softwares or drives required. It's compatible with both Mac and Windows operating systems. And just look at how sleek and compact it is. It won't create a mess of wires on your workstation. Isn't that just what we need? Minimalist, clutter-free workstations. I'm telling you guys, this device is created to increase your productivity, and it will help you reach new heights. It's clever, it's handy, and it's ingenious. That is the Cadyce CA-T3HD. Don't wait, go and grab yours today. That's all for this video, but I'll see you soon with another great Cadyce product. Bye!